Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is the Saturday evening here in the Philippines, and we are doing the last, with a question mark, the last break for the latest HeroClix set, Marvel HeroClix Strange Tales. Okay, so we have a good number of participants this evening. Okay, well, meaning room participants here in Zoom this evening, but our 12 participants for the break are as follows. Okay, so we have yours truly, number 1, Heinz Tomato Ketchup, number 234. Marcus is returning for one slot. So good to see Marcus really planning to play with us. Okay, come back to HeroClix. Okay, so it's a sign. Larry is number 6. Angel Ward 7 and 8. And then Heinz, Angel Ward alternatingly finish up the list. Okay, so as always, we're going to randomize the list of the names, and slots 1 to 6 will be the back of the brick, left to right, and then slots 7 to 12 will be the front of the brick, left to right. Okay, so uh, we are again having our bounties, rare figures as bounties. I think only Angel Ward identified the bounty for this particular brick break. So we just skip the old ones. Okay, meaning bounty A will be, ano si Conrad is here. Bounty A is Scarlet Witch. Okay, the rare Scarlet Witch. Bounty A is, I would like to say Atlanteans, but this is the dolphin set. Okay, all of these are dolphins. So if you pull Scarlet Witch, you will get these 4 figures. Bounty
In
B
short,
is
sea creatures.
yeah. Bounty B is Blade, nominated by Angel Ward. This is the Spider-Verse figures. Okay, a couple of rare
Wow,
and
nice.
the Bounty C is Hulk. Okay, we did not hit the Hulk last time, so we're keeping Bounty C. This is the
It's
white,
the all white,
the all
white
white, yeah, all white
bounty
Bounty. Okay, sige. So let me share
with Jasper's favorite figure,
big
Arcade.
arcade. Here, let's go ahead and randomize. Let's see how many times. Uh-huh. 1-6,
Critical.
1-5-6. Munti ka na naman mag-critical miss. Ano ba yan?
Pag
Ah,
nandyan lang ako,
oo nga eh. Si Conrad kasi eh. Randomize 6, 1,
mas
2,
mas mas
3,
mas masarami pa yung
4,
kasaling hindi sumali.
5. Wala, si Conrad hindi sumali. Masama loob ko dyan kay Conrad, hindi sumasali.
Hindi sa next set
Next set.
ng ng DC.
It's okay, it's okay. Maganda yung next set ng DC ah. Number
Ano pa?
6 is Dan. Okay, so
Wow,
6 is this one. Okay, so
Uy.
okay.
Angel Ward, Marcus,
Wow!
Larry, Angel Ward, Heinz, Tomato, Heinz, Jasper, Ketchup, Heinz.
Pag yan, di pa nakikuha ni
Parang
Angel Ewan.
kuha namin ni ni Heinz yung 7 to
Pa,
12. Parang
hindi,
kami
kayo
dahil
ni
sa
Marcos, kayo ni Marcos tsaka Larry gitna. Literal kayo yung gitna ng buong brick. Kayong
Yes,
tatlo.
sir. Ay, let's put it
Gold
here.
A.
Ayun, tinan mo. Tinan mo yung mga gitna. Mga gitna, oh. 4, 5, tsaka 10.
Okay,
Gitna, kayo yung gitna ng brick. Literal.
9.
Kay Pete, anong prediction mo dyan, Pete?
Predictions for tonight.
Kay Angelo ko ngayon. Sigurado chase yun.
Okay, let's go. Let's see.
Wag,
Uh,
wag, wag lang si Jasper, sabi ni Pito, grabe.
grabe.
Narinig ko yun, Pete.
Grabe.
Ayoko magdilang demonyo eh. Kahit na demonyo ako. So, mahirap na.
Hindi naman.
Kumaamin.
Okay.
Walang demonyo rito. Si
Let
Sandy.
me stop share. Okay, and then I'll highlight the other camera. Where is it? Where's the other one?
Wait,
May good feeling ako kay Doc McCoy. May good feeling ako kay Doc McCoy. Yun ang masasabi ko.
Spotlight.
Uy, ako.
There you go.
Mabait naman talaga si Doc McCoy.
Kung mabait yan si
I
Doc,
have a good I have a good feeling.
He's very good.
nakakainis
So,
ka yung sa sumali kasi ako sa auction sa US. Eh di
Kinain
ano,
ako siya.
11, Strange Tales din. 11 tsaka 12 na lang ang natitira. 11 ako, 12 yung isang Amerikano. Wala pang chase. 11 na first break first break. 11. Naku, bakit na nakuha ng 11? Morbius. Tapos yung number 12, Wolverine, Lord of Vampires.
Ayun lang.
Sabi ko, walang yan. Di pa napunta sa 11 yung Wolverine. Yung pa naman ang hanap.
Naman.
Well, sa
Malas
12 na
pa.
punta.
Oo. Eh, ganun talaga pag break. This is the legacy card. We'll raffle it off at the end of the break.
Lagay mo lang sa tabi, baka mamaya lumipad na naman yan.
Sana nga eh.
Sana si
Depende.
Angelo yung ulit makakuha.
Okay, let's
Tama
go.
na.
Good luck, everyone.
Vested interest ako dyan.
Bested. Naka-bested. Bested. Maging best friend mo pag gusto mo yung legacy card.
Si Chito nga parang binalik na yung kandila eh.
Ay, grabe ka. Angel Ward, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna do it one at a time. One.
Wala ka tayo. Wag mo na isabay, baka magkagulo ka ba?
Number
Yan na,
one.
yan na. Patayin mo na yung break, Angel.
Let's see.
Angelo pala. Ibaon mo. Push it.
Oh, Shield Spy.
Shield spy lang.
Shield Spy.
Oh, this
Nick
might be
Fury, LMD.
this might be a
LMD.
shield.
Booster.
Ay, no.
Ay, hindi. Astral.
Astral.
Scarlet
Ayun
Witch.
na.
And
We have our first bounty, Scarlet Witch. You got the bounty, Scarlet Witch.
Saka ano yan? Anong platform na naman yan? Anong
Let's see.
whatever ka?
Parang naglalag
Sa
yung
mga
ano ko, no? Parang naglalag yung video ko.
Alam mo, palagi kay Angel na pupunta yung mga ganyan. Napansin ko. Kay Angel Ward. Yung mga ganyan.
Ang lapit niya eh.
This
Oh,
is
lapit sa mga ganyan.
Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Nightmare? Yeah, Nightmare.
Okay.
Palagi sa kanya napupunta yung mga ganyan.
Hindi,
Lapit
kay
ng pana.
Chito. Nagkaroon din si Chito. Kaya ako nagkaroon eh.
By the way, I will be printing out. I have printed out actually the cards for those, and they will be participation. Okay, Winds of Watum.
Congratulations, Angel.
Okay, this bounty A.
Number 2, malamang SR.
Ay,
This
Pete, ba't nagko-congratulations ka dyan?
A1 asterisk.
Wala. Masama ba mag-congratulate? Or pag ako lang nag-congratulate, masama.
A2 is Angel. Number 2 is Angel Ward again.
Angel yan.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yan, may SR. Ito may SR na yan.
Tapusin na natin.
Tapos
So, Angel.
Maaga pa.
Oo nga, pinatay mo agad yung mga tao.
Dr. Druid.
Druid.
Oh.
Chase!
Oh,
Chase!
Chase.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ano?
Tapos
Kailangan,
na.
Chase!
Yeah.
Ano?
Symbiote Supreme Chase!
Congratulations.
yan
Congratulations,
yung number
Angel
12,
Ward.
Pete. Yan yung number 12. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Dum
Ano ba yung
Dum
prediction mo?
Dagan. Let's check.
Ba, Pete? Sabi ko sa'yo,
Enchantress.
number 12.
Enchantress and
Shield
Hindi, pwede rin
Spy.
naman yun yung 10
one
eh.
agent. Congratulations. Let's check it out.
Congratulations. Ang galing ko mag-predict, Pete.
Maaga
Number 12
ngayon yung
yan.
ano ha.
Cons. Ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Nag-predict din ako, di ba, kanina? Yun lang masasabi. Tama rin yung prediction ko, di ba?
Kaya prediction natin. Si Jasper, bibigay.
Oh no. Congratulations. Ang ganda ng sculpt niya actually.
Galing. Pero yung prime, ganda, di ba sabi mo, Pete?
Maganda yan kasi tawag doon, palabas yung Venom set. Sakto yan sa Venom set paglabas.
Paano kung di lumabas?
Lalabas yung Venom set sa April. So mga May pa tayo sa Venom set. Angel Ward number 3. Matagal-tagal ang natin in between sets. So magagamit natin yung ating mga figures.
Kaya nang pumunta kanina eh.
Daddy duties nga ako eh. Kasi
Maghintay ako sa Green Hills, wala ka.
graduate orientation sa DLSU kasi. Kailangan sila Lord doon. Angel Award
Doctor
number 3.
Strange.
Doctor Strange. Pero
Yeah,
next week is the anniversary.
Vampire.
Vampire.
Uy, vampire.
Animal.
Animal King. Yep. Animal King.
Sana maligay si
Dr. Druid. And
Ooh!
Magic.
Magic.
Magic, wow, SR.
First time I'm seeing Magic in person. I want
Wow.
her. I want Magic.
Kita
Ay,
mo.
nako, Jasper, good luck sa'yo. Hindi mo yan makukuha. Bet ko.
Don't worry.
Mauunahan
Hindi,
kita.
hindi, makakuha ka niyan, I'm sure. Pero hindi mo makukuha din sa
Just
particular
now, just now. Oh,
break.
right now. Okay, this is Magic SR. Ooh, an
Bakit
X-Men.
kaya yun? Ang ganda.
Okay, sorry. There, ang ganda. Ganda ng
Ano?
Magic. She is
Nakita mo na yan,
magical.
Jasper, sa galleria.
Ah, nakita ko na ba to? Hindi ko pa nakita.
Meron si
Sino
Larry?
gumamit?
Meron? Okay, sino ba?
Hindi ko
I have a
matandaan.
feeling it's gonna be Mephisto
Okay.
super rare in that
Okay.
break.
He is magical. I like it. 8-3. Ang ganda ni Magic. Oh, gusto ko na tuloy bumili online. Hindi, sasali pa.
Kalma. Gusto, marami pang bubuklan
Hindi,
yan.
sasali pa ako sa US kasi mga breaks. Kaya ano din. Marcos, number 4. Let's see. Uy, parang mabigat na onte.
Prime. Uy, huwag ka sa mabigat na -1 magaan.
Yeah, let's see.
Ito baka Hulk, malay.
Doctor
Strange.
Strange.
Vampire.
Vampire. Akat.
Yeah.
Ito yung mabigat.
-1. Yeah,
-1.
Ghost Rider
And Ghost
rare.
Rider.
Rider.
Okay, Ghost Rider rare.
Wow.
Mabigat mabigat ng onte eh. Pag mabigat talaga, ano eh.
-1 or Hulk lang naman yun.
Or Hulk. No,
Well, kung
Maya.
X-Men yung Phoenix.
This is
Hmm.
Marcos.
Wow.
Marcos.
Ano ba magandang prime dyan?
Dormammu, I guess. Strucker yung may pressure. Von Strucker tsaka Dormammu. Pero
Blade.
Blade ang okay.
Blade.
Larry, number
Blade ang
5. Larry.
Blade ang
Ano pa
useful
nag-invento
actually.
ng Von Stacker?
Mabigat din, Larry, mabigat din.
Baka yun ay Hulk.
That could be a super rare.
Mindless 2.
Parang -1 na naman.
Mindless 2.
O yung
Mindless
pangalawa.
Hindi,
Wait,
Bloodstorm.
Bloodstorm rare.
Bloodshore, rare.
Mindless
-1.
one nga. Mindless one
Oo
nga.
nga. Kaya nga, no?
Yeah.
Ang galing ko mag-predict pag hindi ako kasali.
Paranormal Investigator and something with the code.
Darkhold
Darkhold
Redeemer
Redeemer.
and Paranormal Investigator. Okay. And the Strange Astral Form. Okay. Which is the best astral form?
Indeed.
Scarlet Witch.
Scarlet Witch.
Yeah, really. For me, it's Baron Mordo. I like Baron
Yeah,
Mordo
but I don't think-
astral.
I think he doesn't summon or something.
Sino na yung number 6?
Below one.
This is Larry.
Yeah. Baron
Larry is
Mordo
fine.
is also one.
Okay, Larry boy. And then we have Angel Ward, number 6. This is the last for Angel Ward. Parang mabigat
Grabe.
din.
Another
Baka yun ay
file. Hulk.
This
May SR lang.
is,
Prime.
let's see, Morbius. It's
Morbius.
Morbius time.
Siya may rare? O di -1
Yeah.
ulit.
Baron Mordo. Speaking of Baron
Baron
Mordo,
Mordo.
mindless one
Oh,
na
sabi ko
naman.
sa'yo.
Kaya
-1.
mabigat.
Astral and
Astral
Paranormal
and Paranormal Investigator.
Investigator.
Okay.
Hmm.
There's a lot of generic in this set actually.
Lot.
Sino ba yung dalawang rare sa Bounty?
Si Blade and Hulk.
They didn't
Oh.
Hulk.
Morbius time. This is A4.
Wow. So tapos na si Angel.
Tapos na puro si Heinz na to sa dulo tsaka ako. This is Angel A4. Hindi na ano yun. Dikit-dikit yung kay Heinz
Jasper interview. Sa tingin mo makakuha ka SR?
Oo naman.
Baka
Sabi ko,
rare.
gusto ko ng tawag doon, Dracula SR again.
Uy. Uy,
7
kailangan ko ng mga vampira.
is Heinz. Okay.
Do no Twilight.
Kailangan mo
Twilight.
ng vampira ko. Pakilala kita, marami akong kilalang vampira.
Ibang lakas ang kinukuha, Cods. Heinz. Oy, Frankencastle, Heinz.
Castle.
Ay, KL, I will hook you up with this. I will try.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
will try. I will try. I will ask Heinz
Hook you
first.
up. Uy, hook you
Baron
up.
Mordo, Astral. Nick Fury.
Dark Nick Fury LMD. Astral Dormammu.
Malamang-
Dormammu.
Dormammu and a
Astral
cat.
Dormammu. Cat.
And a cat. It's a cat.
Ganda ka.
We need to get
Cat
the
familiar.
cat. Heinz needs the black cat.
Yep. He doesn't have it yet.
Frankencastle.
Bakit marami bang klase ng pusa?
Punisher.
Dalawa lang.
Second.
Yung purple and
okay.
black. Wala pa siyang black eh.
Okay.
This is Heinz. H1. Naubusan na ako. Heinz, tomato, ketchup. Di ko na alam kung ano yung susunod na dalawa eh. Kaya Heinz na lang. This is tomato. Number 8.
Heinz tomato.
Heinz
Heinz.
tomato. And then next is Heinz again.
SR na ba ito?
Hop.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. It's a panel.
It's a panel.
Agamotto. Agamotto
Oh,
panel.
SR na. SR
Yep.
panel.
Agamotto
Pwede
panel.
na.
Agamotto.
That's good, ano? And then we have Clea,
Astral.
Dorm,
Doctor Strange.
Rare.
Unique ba yung mga panel? Unique.
Unique. Panels are
Unique.
unique.
Yes.
Okay. Rare, Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange.
But this is a good hit. Agamotto. Hindi ko alam si
Yeah, Yamagumoto.
Si Agamotto pala ay kalbo. Nope. No one shots and no panel card. This is tomato. H2.
So every panel has
You're coming in Choppy K. This is Heinz once again. Okay. Let's see. We have Clea, Baron Mordo. You finally a
all
black cat.
panels has no card.
All panels have no card. Oh, don't worry, I printed naman Sam. Frank, Drake, and Super Rare Prime Heinz. Baron Strucker.
Uy, ang
Congrats.
galing.
Nice.
Magkano yan?
Congratulations. Super Rare Prime.
Okay.
Okay. That's a great
Bumabanat pa
goal.
rin si Heinz ah.
Bumabanat pa din na kahit come from behind eh, no?
Hindi daw pwedeng chase lang yung mabunot. Kailangan may
Bumabanat si
pride.
Heinz eh. Baron Mordo, Frank Drake, and Super Rare Prime. Parang chase na rin to actually, Super Rare Prime.
Sa presyo niya ngayon. Totoo naman.
Malakas kasi siya sa Silver Age. Pag Hydro. This is Heinz. It's H3. Okay. Number Jasper now. Okay, syempre. Parang mabigat Pwede na yan, -1.
So, -1.
Pwede na yan, -1. Kailangan ko yung -1 eh. Oy,
Malay mo, hug
panel.
yan.
Bubble wrap. May panel
Oh, ayun
ako. Kaya to.
Ano,
Ashanzar.
okay.
Si Shanchai.
Okay.
Okay. Rare Blade. Okay.
Oy, pwede na. Shield. Enchantress. Saka
Okay. Enchantress and
Paranormal.
Darkhold Redeemer. And a Pulp Checklist. Mali naman tong Pulp Checklist kasi may may Prime. Nakasama ata yung mga Prime. Okay, let's see if I have a one shot. Oh, I have Shield of Seraphim. Okay. That's fine. Gilid ko na. This is Ketchup and then Heinz.
Napaka-anticlimactic.
Oh,
Ketchup and
Tips the Blade. Why not? Sure.
Uy.
Ketchup.
Jasper has 4 blades already.
Yeah, I have a multi-blade. This is Astral
Dormammu Astral.
Dormammu.
ako meron din kasi
Rare
direct lang.
Dormammu.
The real Dormammu.
Astral
Astral Clea. Which?
Clea and an
Clea.
Astral Clea.
Oh, okay.
Astral.
This looks like a mystical team pack.
So
Indeed,
yung
it is.
SR, kabila SR na yun, most likely. Ay,
May
Okay
SR
na
Prime
ba?
tayo. May SR Prime
Oh, so okay na yung tatlo? Or usually nag-aapat pa yan?
Sana mag-apat. Let's see. This is
Oh.
H4.
That could be Mephisto, the last one.
Ano nga, no?
Ay,
Magic.
wait.
Ano
Hindi ba
na?
pang-apat na yan?
What are our SRs? Magic,
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 Kraken Castle,
Krak-
Bernstrucker.
Kraken Castle, and Von Strucker.
So baka may pang-apat pa.
Possibly,
Yes.
pang-apat. Let's check. Okay, panel.
Panel.
This is
Okay.
Shanchai ulit. Shanchai. A Nightmare.
Nope.
Nightmare
Night-
rare.
That's not Nightmare.
Okay.
It's a rare. Okay, let's see if there's a one. Orgo.
Orgo.
Okay.
Oops. Flames of
Sino?
Fauci.
One shot.
And this 4. Okay, not
That's it.
bad, not bad.
Yep.
Heinz, you got one
Yeah.
SR and SR prime. That's not bad.
Indeed.
H5.
Ano na?
Okay, then we're gonna go with the legacy card.
Legacy.
Okay, let's go and share the screen. Okay, let's see. I hope we get one of the Colossals 10. Okay, so this
Dami
should
na to,
be 16 times 1, 2,
So, Angel,
3,
Angel,
4,
Angel,
5,
Angel,
6,
Angel.
7, 8, 9, and
And
Edward.
Uy, ang galing ko talaga.
Okay, let's see.
Gawin mo try Sentinel.
Oo naman.
O kahit,
Parang meron
kahit
tayo.
Turma mo. Turma,
Got it.
Angel, huwag mo kalimutan.
Pag nakahiga, okay.
Pagpunta mo sa Heaven, Angel.
Oh, sisilipin ko ah. Ako nakatayo.
Ako, tinayuan na.
Ten
Tayo
Marvel
na.
yan.
Try Sentinel nga, Pete.
May Mystics.
Oy,
Skrulls.
Turma
Captain
mo.
Marvel.
Skrulls
Ay,
eh.
Turma mo. Ay, puto.
Berangke.
Princess Meraki na naman.
Berangke.
Amo.
Congratulations.
Okay, Princess Beranque for Angel One. Put it on one of the booster.
Favorite mo ka na, no?
Again,
Beranque.
guys, next week it's going to be half sealed, half pulp for the Pinoy HeroClix 5th anniversary games.
Saan yun?
Sa Papi Link, I'll be posting the information to when the brick arrives kasi dapat ngayon ang dating ng brick di naman dumating. So whichever comes first, pero most likely it's gonna be X-Men, one booster, and half pulp for that particular day. So I hope to see you guys there. Okay, and of course, have a restful weekend.
Okay, rest in peace.
Bye.
Bye-bye.